77 हैं वो आपके भी हैं, सभी के हैं। तो सदन के माननीय जिन सदस्यों ने नियम 377 के अधीन मामले दिए हैं उनको आज नियम 377 के अंतर्गत मामला उठाने की अनुमति दी जाती है। वो व्यक्तिगत रूप से तत्काल मामले का अनुमोदित पाठ सभा पटल पर प्रस्तुत करें। नियम 377। पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर मिनिस्टर।
सभापति महोदय जी, कांग्रेस पार्टी और राहुल गांधी जी पहले दिन से ये मांग कर रहे थे कि गृह मंत्री अमित शाह जी को स्टेटमेंट देना चाहिए। मैं बहुत साफ शब्दों से सरकार के ओर से कहना चाहता हूं, सरकार पूरा छात्र का मामले को लेकर के चर्चा के लिए तैयार है और स्टेटमेंट ही नहीं, छात्र का मामला को लेकर के पूरा चर्चा के लिए तैयार है और पूरा जवाब देने के लिए तैयार है। गृह मंत्री जी विस्तार से जवाब देने के लिए तैयार है। मैं अनुरोध करता हूं कांग्रेस पार्टी और इनको कि गृह मंत्री जी का जवाब के समय डरना नहीं है, भागना नहीं है, पूरा सुनना पड़ेगा। मैंने बिजनेस एडवाइजरी में भी सार्वजनिक वहां सबके सामने में कह दिया है कि सरकार छात्र को लेकर के पूर्ण रूप से विस्तार से चर्चा के लिए तैयार है और पूरा जवाब देने के लिए तैयार है।
माननीय पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर ने आप लोग जो लगातार मांग कर रहे थे, आप लगातार मांग कर, अखिलेश यादव जी सुन लीजिए, अखिलेश जी सुन लीजिए, इधर सभी शांतिपूर्वक बैठे हुए हैं, आप सुन लीजिए। अगर माननीय संसदीय कार्य मंत्री जी कह रहे हैं कि माननीय गृह मंत्री जी इस सदन में चर्चा का उत्तर देने के लिए तैयार हैं, तो कृपया मैं अनुरोध करूंगा, आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि कृपया सदन को व्यवस्थित करें, सदन की कार्रवाई को चलाने दें। प्लीज काइंडली, मैं सभी, टैगोर मलक्कम साहब, यू आर ए चीफ व्हिप ऑफ द पार्टी। अगर पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर ही हैज एक्सप्रेस हिज फीलिंग कि नाउ होम मिनिस्टर इज रेडी टू रिप्लाई ऑन द फ्लोर ऑफ द हाउस, लेकिन अब हाउस को व्यवस्थित करिए। अखिलेश जी इधर से व्यवस्थित है, चाहे संजय जायसवाल जी हो, निशिकांत जी हो, सभी पूरा सत्ता पक्ष बैठा है। अगर गृह मंत्री जी के लिए संसदीय कार्य मंत्री जी ने कह दिया है कि वो चर्चा का उत्तर देने के लिए तैयार हैं, देखिए आप अखिलेश जी, मैं समाजवादी पार्टी, कांग्रेस, डीएमके सभी मेंबर्स को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आई थिंक सो दिस इज द लास्ट वीक ऑफ द मानसून सेशन। इन लास्ट 3 weeks the entire monsoon session was washed out. Who is responsible? Who is accountable? You have been elected. You are fortunate, lucky. You only just to bear your responsibility towards your electoral college. But here you are not participating in debate. Even you were demanding that Home Minister should reply. अब पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर ने कह दिया है, पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर मिनिस्टर ने कह दिया है, तो अगर आप जवाब चाहते हैं तो सदन को व्यवस्थित करें। आप सदन में चाहते हैं कि माननीय गृह मंत्री जी जवाब दें, तो सदन को व्यवस्थित करिए। माननीय गृह मंत्री जी का जो आप मांग रहे थे कि माननीय गृह मंत्री जी सदन में हमको जवाब दें, माननीय संसदीय कार्य मंत्री ने कह दिया कि हम गृह मंत्री जी जवाब देने के लिए तैयार हैं और गृह मंत्री जी चाहते हैं कि चर्चा हो, तो आप सदन को व्यवस्थित करें। आइटम नंबर 20, ट्रिब्यूनल्स रिफॉर्म बिल 2026, ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर।
ऑनरेबल चेयरपर्सन सर, with your kind permission, I want to move that the bill to improve the efficiency,
मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है,
ensure independence,
नीचे करिए,
transparency,
ये डिस्प्ले इस तरह से प्ले कार्ड डिस्प्ले करना,
the qualification,
ये इस तरह से प्ले कार्ड डिस्प्ले, ये न नियम परमिट करता है न चेयर करता है। अगर आप इस तरह से प्ले कार्ड कहेंगे तो ये बात बिल्कुल नहीं ठीक।
सर,
माननीय मंत्री जी,
sir, with your kind permission, I want to move that the bill to improve the efficiency, ensure independence, transparency and uniformity in the qualifications, appointment, terms and conditions of the service of chairperson and members of the various tribunals, the administration and functioning of the tribunals, to establish a national tribunal commission and to make consequential amendment in the related enactments and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto be taken into consideration. अध्यक्ष जी, आज ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण बिल सदन के समक्ष आया है। ये जो रिफॉर्म एक्सप्रेस देश में चल रही है नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में, उसी का ही एक ये पार्ट है और आपने अनुमति प्रदान की है, इसलिए मैं आपका आभारी हूँ। हमारे संविधान के आर्टिकल 323A और 323B में ये उपबंधित किया गया है और बाद में एक सोरेन कमेटी की रिकमेंडेशन के आधार पर 42वें संविधान संशोधन 1976 के अंतर्गत संविधान।
So while proceedings have been adjourned in the upper house in Rajya Sabha, proceedings are underway in Lok Sabha, but amid ruckus and big news in fact coming in from Lok Sabha that the government has given assurance that it's ready to discuss the students' protests and other activities related to it, which includes police action as well. Kiran Rijiju, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, has given assurance inside the House that the Home Minister will make a statement. But along with that, he also said that the opposition should listen to what the Home Minister has to say. There should not be any disturbance and ruckus. And despite that assurance, we see chaos and sloganeering inside Lok Sabha. Let me go across to my colleagues. We have Pragya joining us on the broadcast. This is big news coming in that the Home Minister will give a statement as far as student protests and other activities, and I assume it's about the police brutality and the action taken as well. But despite the assurances coming in, we see ruckus and sloganeering inside the Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha adjourned, by the way.
Absolutely, Swati, and assurance has come directly from the Parliamentary Affairs Minister and Business Advisory Committee. Swati, in fact, they have told opposition that your primary demand has been that the Home Minister should come to the House and make a statement on the atrocities that were committed on the protesters on that particular day, and we are ready to do that. But we have a condition that you need to sit and listen throughout the debate. You just don't have to rush out and also walk out of the House when HM will give the statement. And also, it looks like that there is not going to be a debate as of now because the time and date has not been decided, Swati, simply for the reason that opposition is not one on this particular demand. In fact, they are saying we also want a debate on Ram Temple. And in fact, it looks like that the opposition is divided on this particular two debates because Samajwadi Party want primarily a debate on Ram Temple. Uttar Pradesh elections are nearing, and this becomes a main political point for them to corner the government. And, the Congress, in fact, is looking for a debate on both the issues, but primarily they want Home Minister to speak in the House. Remember, Rahul Gandhi has also written an op-ed on this particular point that Home Minister should come and also reply on the floor of the House about this particular atrocities on the students or protesters, whosoever they are.
I have Mohit and Sabyasachi joining us in the broadcast. Pragya, do stay on with us. But Mohit, my question is, will the opposition now allow a debate or discussion and allow the Home Minister to make a statement? They have been saying that the Home Minister should come to the House and give a statement, but despite that assurance, we see ruckus. What we're also picking up is that the opposition is now talking about the Ram Mandir donation row as well. They're saying Chanda Chori should also be discussed.
Well, Swati, first and foremost, the government clearly agreed to the opposition demand that yes, Home Minister Amit Shah will reply to on the issue of the students and also on the issue on the issues that are connected to it. That is the police brutality that is being alleged by the opposition. But when the government clearly stated that the opposition party should not create ruckus, they should let a Home Minister speak while he'll make a statement. So date and time has not been decided. The duration will be decided by the Speaker. Now, the first reaction that came in on this particular issue was of Gaurav Gogoi, senior Congress leader and member of Parliament, who clearly stated that we want the debate and discussion on Chanda Chori too. Now, when this particular question was being asked to the government clearly stated that Chanda Chori is a matter of investigation. The SIT is investigating it. It's a state issue. But then primarily the demand of the opposition was that Home Minister Amit Shah to come and make a statement. While we speak, Swati, there is massive ruckus in the Parliament while in Lok Sabha, while the bill is being introduced in Lok Sabha by Arjun Ram Meghwal, Law Minister. We see opposition parties creating slogans, but the chair clearly stated that you wanted debate and discussion on the issue of student brutality. You wanted debate and discussion from Home Minister Amit Shah. You wanted response from him, and the Parliamentary Affairs Minister has clearly stated that yes, he's ready to reply. Let the Parliament function. But it seems that it's the strategy of the opposition parties, and in a way they are trying to change the goalpost now. First, when the government has agreed for Home Minister Amit Shah's reply, the opposition parties, specifically the Congress, are speaking about Chanda Chori now, but that matter is under investigation.
Absolutely, and that is the big breaking news. The assurance that has come in from the government that there will be a statement from the Home Minister. Sabyasachi, in fact, that is the only demand of the opposition ever since the monsoon session began. The opposition has been seeking presence of Home Minister inside the House and his statement as far as police brutality or police action on student protesters is concerned. Now that the government says allow the House to function, this is almost the last week, just a couple of days before the monsoon session ends. Let's discuss important issues. The Home Minister will come to the House, make a statement on the demand that the opposition has raised, which is about a discussion on police brutality. Despite that, there's no there's no consensus whether the opposition wants to allow the House to function or not, which is exactly what we're witnessing at the moment as we speak.
Swati, see, the opposition is very much clear. The opposition today, while the meeting of the floor leaders of the India bloc, the opposition said that the government is under pressure and they want to carry on with this pressure. And that is the reason why the opposition would not take back their demand when it comes to the discussion to the presence of Home Minister Amit Shah in the House, and discussion should take place regarding the use of force against students in the national capital, or regarding the discussion on a Ram temple theft. Now the opposition collectively, whether it is the Congress party leader of opposition who himself has been pushing for the presence of Home Minister, asking for a discussion regarding the use of force against students, whereas if you have the Samajwadi Party who have been raising the issue of Ram Mandir donation theft, and every single day there has been creative protest by the opposition leaders. So you can't deny the fact that UP polls are coming ahead. So both Congress and the Samajwadi Party would not want to let go of this issue, and that is the reason why they clearly have told at the meeting of the Business Advisory that they are not going to compromise on their demand. In fact, the meeting between Parliamentary Affairs Minister Mr. Kiran Rijiju and Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi clearly said that we are not going to take back our demands, and these two demands are completely non-negotiable. You have to...
Assurance has come in from the government. That's the big breaking news. The assurance that the Home Minister will make a statement. Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister said this inside the House in Lok Sabha, that the Home Minister is going to make a statement, but the opposition will then have to make sure that they listen to what the Home Minister has to say. There should be no disturbance, ruckus or chaos during that particular statement. Let's go back to my colleagues who continue to be with us on the broadcast. Pragya, what time and when are we expecting this? We're given to understand that the Lok Sabha Speaker will decide the time when this statement is made.
So I think the time will be decided and date will be decided only when the opposition agrees to this particular debate, because the whole contention right now is that there should be two debates, one on Ram Temple, secondly on particularly HM statement. Now government is saying that you don't just get HM statement, you will get a whole debate on this. In fact, we are ready for that, but just don't run away from this particular debate when HM start replying. It looks like that the government also not sure whether the opposition really wants a debate or not, or is it all related to FCRA? The bill that opposition is also protesting against. Right now, it looks like the opposition is changing goalposts. Even government is not ready to understand how the opposition is strategizing right now. In fact, when we asked Mr. Kiran Rijiju about the date and time, he said, let the opposition first decide, because there is also a rift between Samajwadi Party and Congress Party on the debates that need to be taken up for the discussion.
Absolutely.
Government doesn't have time for 2 debates because there is only 3 days left. They need important bills to be passed. 3 of them are already lined up, and in fact, one of them tribunal have just passed in Lok Sabha. So government also knows that there are
Pratik, do stay
important
on
bills.
with us now. Of course, the big question is, will the opposition allow the House to function now? Just a couple of days left. The Home Minister will make a statement. That's the assurance that is coming from the government. So will the opposition allow the discussion, the debate, and then the Home Minister's statement, or will we continue to see ruckus? Let's quickly also listen into what the Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister said about Home Minister's statement inside Parliament. Listen in.
कांग्रेस पार्टी और राहुल गांधी जी पहले दिन से ये मांग कर रहे थे कि गृह मंत्री अमित शाह जी को स्टेटमेंट देना चाहिए। मैं बहुत साफ शब्दों से सरकार के ओर से कहना चाहता हूं, सरकार पूरा छात्र का मामले को लेकर के चर्चा के लिए तैयार है, और स्टेटमेंट ही नहीं, छात्र का मामला को लेकर के पूरा चर्चा के लिए तैयार है और पूरा जवाब देने के लिए तैयार है। गृह मंत्री जी विस्तार से जवाब देने के लिए तैयार है। मैं अनुरोध करता हूं कांग्रेस पार्टी और इनको कि गृह मंत्री जी का जवाब के समय डरना नहीं है, भागना नहीं है, पूरा सुनना पड़ेगा। मैंने बिजनेस एडवाइजरी में भी सार्वजनिक वहां सबके सामने में कह दिया है कि सरकार छात्र को लेकर के पूर्ण रूप से विस्तार से चर्चा के लिए तैयार है और पूरा जवाब देने के लिए तैयार है।
So you heard the Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju saying bhagna nahi hai, pura bayan sunna padega, whatever the Home Minister has to say. Now let's listen into how the opposition reacted to this announcement and what are the other demands that the opposition is now raising.
बच्चों पर जो अत्याचार हुआ, पैलेट गन का जो इस्तेमाल हुआ, पुलिस प्रशासन के द्वारा लड़कियों पर जो प्रहार हुआ, बिहार में AK-47 का जो इस्तेमाल हुआ, ये सब गृह मंत्री अमित शाह जी के संज्ञान में हुआ या उनके संज्ञान में नहीं हुआ, इसको लेकर गृह मंत्री सदन में आकर अपनी बात रखे। और विपक्ष की दूसरी मांग ये है कि अयोध्या राम मंदिर ट्रस्ट में जो घोटाला हुआ उसको लेकर सदन के अंदर चर्चा हो।
Let's go back to our reporter Sabyasachi, if you can hear me. Gaurav Gogoi says जो घोटाला राम मंदिर में हुआ है, that is the issue of Chanda Chori, should also be discussed, should also be debated. So the government has agreed for a discussion on student protests and other activities, police action included. Opposition says we also want a discussion on Chanda Chori. It's highly unlikely. It looks like the opposition strategy is very clear. Keep on building pressure.
Well, that's right, Swati. See, the opposition will keep on building pressure on the central government, and the opposition feels that somewhere it has worked. And see, the Congress party and leader of opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, they were raising the use of force against the students issue that happened in the national capital, both inside and outside the parliament. But during several meetings of the opposition floor leaders, there were other opposition parties, including the Samajwadi Party, who felt that the Ram Mandir issue is equally important and it could not be let brushed under the carpet. And that is the reason why we used to see two protests inside and outside the parliament. In the house, they were raising slogans regarding the use of force against the students, and outside we used to see the Samajwadi Party and the Congress Party protesting against the donation theft in Ram Mandir. So that definitely the Samajwadi Party has a big role to play in this, and the opposition
11 अगस्त 2026 को प्रातः 11 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है। धन्यवाद।
All right, so Lok Sabha adjourned as well amid ruckus, amid sloganeering that continues from the opposition side. As far as the government is concerned, an assurance has come in that the Home Minister will make a statement on student protest and police action as well included. You heard Kiran Rijiju say that The opposition will then have to sit through the entire discussion. We'll have to listen to what the Home Minister has to say without any chaos, ruckus and sloganeering. Let's go back to our reporters. Sabyasachi, please go on.
Well, Swati, see, the Samajwadi Party and the other political parties felt that the issue of Ram Mandir is equally important and it could not be let to be brushed under the carpet. It has to be brought in inside the house. Since it's an important issue, the discussion should take place. Now, both the Samajwadi Party and the Congress Party have agreed that there should be two protests inside and outside the house. Inside the house, they would continue to raise the issue of the police brutality against the students and the youth in the national capital, and outside they would use creative measures to protest against the donation theft in Ram Mandir. But there are also other opposition parties who felt that the discussion of important bills should take place in the house. Whether if you talk about the FCRA bill, if the government decides to bring in, discussion should take place, because the other opposition parties felt that there are certain important bills which require the attention of the nation.
Well, there are more
and that is the
reactions
reason why
coming in. Sabyasachi, do stay on with us. Let's also listen into what the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, had to say.
हम 17 दिन से ये पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि वो सदन में आके जो बच्चों के ऊपर अन्याय अत्याचार हुआ और जो उनको मारा गया, पीटा गया, अब सबको मालूम है, और इस विषय में उनका एक स्टेटमेंट चाहते हैं और प्राइम मिनिस्टर रात के 12 बजे बोलते हैं। सदन को आप क्यों नेग्लेक्ट कर रहे हैं?
All right, we're getting some breaking news now. We're given to understand that the Speaker is going to allot time for the statement and the discussion to take place. The debate timing will be decided by the Speaker. Government is ready for the discussion. Speaker will next fix the time and date. Home Minister is now going to reply to the students' protest and what transpired thereafter. Speaker to allot time for students' stir debate. Let's go back to our reporters. Pragya, if you can hear me. News just coming in that the Lok Sabha Speaker will soon allot time for the debate on students' stir to take place.
That is only when, Swati, if the opposition decides that they are ready to have a debate on this, because government is saying that there will be full-fledged debate on students' stir then, and also Home Minister will reply, and opposition has to sit through it. They cannot just run and walk out of the parliament. So government is ready. Speaker will allot the time and also the date on which this debate can take place. But for that, opposition also needs to be on the same page. There is a rift between Samajwadi Party and Congress Party. Congress Party, remember, has been protesting near Makka Dwar every morning on Mr. Amit Shah, saying that he needs to come to the house, he needs to make a statement on the atrocities that were committed, by the police on the protesters that day. And in fact, they are also demanding Home Minister to resign, not just give statement, but next demand that opposition and especially Congress is doing is the resignation of Home Minister. So even they are very confused as to what is it exactly the opposition want. And in fact, the time will be allotted when all the parties and the opposition will come on the same page and say that, right, yes, we are ready for this one particular
till
debate.
A consensus is built. Yes, till a consensus is built, till the opposition agrees, we are still looking at a lot of time between what has been announced today and how the discussion takes place. For the Speaker to take that decision, you're saying that the opposition has to be brought on board. So let's see. I'm sure there'll be back-to-back meetings now before that time is allotted and the date is fixed. Thank you very much, Pragya, for getting us the details. In fact, thank you to Mohit and Sabyasachi as well. Quick break. A lot more lined up on the other side.
Co-powered by Suzlon, good energies that work.
स्टूडियो पार्टनर ग्रीन लैम लैमिनेट्स तारीफें दिखाई देंगी।